So today I'm going to share you the coloring process of this latest illustration that I've made of Ben 10X Pokemon. So as you can see, Ghostfreak is surrounded by a few scary Pokemon. I'm going to show you how I basically colored it. So here goes. First I'm going to add a base layer under each character and add the flats of each character, right? The base colors basically. So that's what we are doing right now, and it's a pretty simple process. I've explained it in my previous tutorial, so you can check that out. Now we start with Ghostfreak shading. So I've added a multiply layer on top of Ghostfreak's flat color layer, and now I'm just adding the highlights because he's in a very dark environment. So basically the multiply layer will have the maximum area, and I've added highlights, and on top of those highlights I'm creating another multiply layer so that it appears a lot more darker. And after that I'm just going to quickly add a dark shade to the background because it's going to be majoritarily black. I'm not sure if majoritarily is a word, but anyway, same process of multiplying the layers I use on each and every character over their base layers. And this is the process where you can cheat the system a little as long as it looks pretty cool and believable. So try different shades, try different angles. I'll have another tutorial on how light can reflect and how you can basically bring out the most in your illustrations through lighting. So again, on top of that, I'm creating another multiply layer so that it appears really dark, the Pokemon appear really dark. And now what I'm doing is rubbing off the multiply layer on the eyes so that they appear clear, and adding another linear dodge layer right on top of every layer, and then adding a red glow on the characters so that they look really spooky. So it's a very basic tutorial right now. Someday I will go into detail about linear dodge, multiply and all those things, but I hope you get a gist of it, and I hope you enjoyed this illustration as much as I enjoyed creating it. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you never miss an update. And you can also follow my work at www.instagram.com/jazylhdraws. Your support means a lot, guys. So please make sure to share, like and comment on this video. I would really like to know your feedback. And also let me know what you like me to cover in my next YouTube videos. I'm looking forward to all your responses, and I hope you help me grow my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.